Family is everything, but to keep it safe, not always so easy. You try installing a security camera, but the outlet is miles away. So you rely on a battery cam, but always need new batteries. You struggle to see what's really happening. You play detective in the dark, and causing more problems. Or turn to Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam to get real peace of mind. No wires, up in a snap. Long-lasting power, even in low light or partial shade. When duty calls, it says, "Not on my watch."
Hey, I see you. Move along.
Smart enough to tell friend from threat. Floodlight level security, made possible by wireless. Put it anywhere. Go completely wire-free. Reolink Solar Floodlight Cam. Floodlight security, made wireless.